Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be changing the gear oil in my 997 turbo. As you can see, the 6 liters of oil for the front transaxle, the rear transaxle, which includes the transmission and the rear differential. And the car has 60,000 miles. It's about 10 years old. Porsche recommends every 12 years or 120,000 miles, but I'm gonna change it a little bit early. A lot of posts saying the differential comes out black much sooner than that. So. As you can see, that's the plastic cover I'm going to be removing, held with a few bolts and some clips underneath. Okay, I got the rearmost cover off. It's held by 4 T25 screws. Okay, getting ready to remove the second panel furthest to the back. Okay, as you can see, I just got it off. It just slides to the back after removing a couple of 10mm bolts and T25 screws.